You're tearing up your back. Oh, it's crazy, man. Wow.
Can't even open it up no more.
No more? No? I won't be able to see the back?
I gotta figure out a way to get it open.
I've seen people use strings around the back or a metal prong out the back.
I did that, but I done wore out the cable.
Oh man.
Figure out another way.
Anyway, what's your name? What's in here for the YouTube channel? Go ahead, man.
My name is Robert. And I got 4 Hooligan X15s.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Great.
Right here, Jacob?
Yeah, sir. I would love to. I don't want to kick you out early. Let you enjoy your demo, man. That's some heavy doors.
Yes,
wow. Wow. Nice.
I see you looking, Robert. Hi, bro.
Hey, how you doing, man?
What's up, man?
Jacob.
Robert.
Robert. All right, Robert. How much power, electrical, alternator?
Well, this amp right here is just a replacement. I got 2 DS18 8K HKOs.
Okay.
I had 2 of them on there.
Uh-huh.
And one of them messed up on me, and I'm using this one for a replacement right now.
Okay.
Until the other one get back out the shop.
Okay.
And I got 1810, and I'm in all 4 of my doors, 16 super tweeters, and 4 horn drivers, and I got a 3500. No, I got 11K PRV on my door speaker.
Over 30 speakers in the doors, man. All right.
And I got another PRV 3500.
Okay.
I got 3 alternators, stuff like that.
Yes, sir. What size alternators?
I got 2 270s and one regular alternator.
Yes, sir. All right. I couldn't imagine when you went from this big amp to the 2. Was there a difference you could audibly see or hear?
Well, this amp here it's supposed to be the same amp.
Okay.
This black amp replaced this amp. It's the older style. That's the newer style.
Okay.
They went to a different board.
Got it.
And I had 2 of those, but I'm just waiting on that one to come out the shop.
Yeah.
And I just used this one.
Wow. Are you happy with the output for just going on that 1 instead of the 2, or you feel like it was a little louder with the 2 amps?
No, it's about the same.
About the same?
I'm saying what I'm saying. I got that on 2 of them. And this one on 2 of them.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
And when that one comes back out the shop, it's gonna be hung right there, and I'm gonna do something else.
All right. Work in progress. Appreciate it, man. I understand, man. Robert. Thank you for showing me, man.
What's the
YouTube, JacobViral. Yes, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Check me out. YouTube, JacobViral. Do daily cardio posts everywhere. So, yeah, man.
Appreciate it, man.
I will. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. All right. imagine when you went from this big amp to the 2, was there a difference you could audibly see or hear?
Well, this amp here it's supposed to be the same amp.
Okay.
This black amp replaced this amp. It's the older style. That's the newer style.
Okay.
They went to a different board.
Got it.
And I had 2 of those, but I'm just waiting on that one to come out the shop.
Yeah. I appreciate it, man. I understand, Robert. Thank you for showing me, man. YouTube, JacobViral. Yes, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Check me out. YouTube, JacobViral. Daily cardio posts everywhere.